exactly had gone before. It's good to see our students, those who are sitting over there on the chair there. And all the students there. And the students, those who are sitting over there, have got 90% above as the coordinator was just done. It's good to see. So we must clap for them first of all. Congratulations to all of you. All those who have scored, obtained more than 90% marks. The only rider that I'll use over here is, please do not rest on your laurels. High school of CBSE, I do not want to belittle anything. I would like to say something. That if you feel that you have got 90% or a little more than that, and you will be able to do very well in senior classes like 11th and 12th, I'm sorry if you do not really put in that kind of effort. That will be the double effort that you have done in class 9th and 10th. If you don't do that, you will not be able to take whatever marks you have got already. There's so many resumes come to me almost on every day basis. I have seen the students start with very good marks in high school, a little bit, and then when he reaches class 11, at least it declines by 5 to 6%. By the time they reach BSc, it doesn't go down, but certainly it comes down. And I do not know why I'm really very bewildered and perplexed when I see the MSc result, they get so much marks. So I do not know what exactly is the criteria of evaluation in the college level and university level. Now I am here, my target is you guys, those who have got more than 90% marks, that please don't take rest. You have reached the platform. Okay? You have reached the platform, and that platform is such that if you launch yourself in the right direction and little bit of conviction also, and then sustainment. The most important thing is whatever you do, okay, do it consistently. If you're doing it consistently, then I'm sure you will be able to achieve whatever you want to. It's not very difficult. It's only, say, outside people say, IIT is very tough, NEET is tough, all these things, and nothing is tough, I tell you. Nothing is tough for all such students who are very consistent, who are hard workers, those who are hard working, and their hard work is properly planned. Okay, they are moving in with the correct strategy. I'm sure you will be able to achieve anything in life. Whether you have joined a non-schooling, how many of you have joined non-scaling? Come on, raise your hands. Nothing I can do, nothing here. So I just want to do the frankness from and the candidness coming from you all. How many of you joined non-schooling? So if you have joined non-schooling, you should be very careful, because I do not keep the non-schooling institutes in good light. I haven't seen many of them really doing very great, but still, if you have joined, if you have felt that yes, non-schooling is better than schooling, go ahead with it. But wherever you go, even if you get very good teachers, but if your effort is not there, commensurate with their teaching and all that, if it's not there, then probably make a very sorry figure ultimately in life. So for you, only thing is that I want to tell you is, please do not relax. Very crucial time has arrived for you. Make or break time for you all, those who really want to get through academics. This is a hackneyed sentence I keep on speaking from the stage here that the academics, doing good in academics is the easiest way of achieving or accomplishing a comfortable materialistic life. Any other walk of life that you go, any other walk of life that you choose, you will have to work double, triple, or many times of the effort that you will be doing in academics, where you can do and can achieve anything in life. So, academics is the very easy way of having a good, a prosperous, I do not know happy, but at least comfortable, material life you all will have if you just plan out nicely, work very hard, do not work in spurts. When I say do not work in spurts means आज 2 घंटा पढ़ लिया 10 दिन सो गए. If you do this kind of, if you have this kind of an attitude, then you will not be successful anywhere in the world. You will not be neither here in academics nor in either any other walk of life that you choose to really go and win. You will not be able to. You want to become a musician? You want to become a musician? You will have to at least practice 2-3 hours. If you want to become a cricketer, you will see, you must have seen the profiles of great cricketers or footballers or any sports. They work so hard, much harder than the people who have got very high laurels in academics. So it requires a lot of hard work in any field that you choose. But please, for God's sake, do not, if you think that, oh, I've got 91%, so I'll get this and I'll get that, nothing doing, not get anywhere until unless you keep this sustain, this particular effort that is there within your mind, within yourself, that I must do better. If you don't have this kind of a, please do not get demotivated by small failures. Keep on doing your work, keep on working hard. Choose good things, good people, good teachers, good faculty, and then do the self-study. Because most of you must be opting for NEET and JEE and all these things I know. This is the craze of studying Bihar and UP and all these places. If you go to the other part, students are having a lot of options, a lot of avenues, a lot of things to do. So they are not bothered whether I get into JEE or not. But here, if you don't get to JEE, then what happens? You get frustrated, you get disappointed, and ultimately what do? You go to a college, universities, worst places in the world. Indian universities I am talking about. Indian colleges I am talking about. Worst place to go. Ultimately you will come out cropper. Nothing. You will come out nothing. Nothing will happen to you if you join the college or university over here. Please keep this in mind. Try to get into better professional college immediately the moment you have done your intermediate. Try hard. And professional doesn't mean IIT, JEE and NEET only. Many other things are there. Many other avenues are there. Many other fields are there. Then you can really do very well. But the only thing that is required is a fire. The fire in the belly which propelled you, catapulted you to that level of 90% at the above. You keep that shocking around. And if you keep that shocking around, I'm sure you will be able to achieve whatever you want to. Please do not take rest. Do not take rest now. This is the important couple of years where if you really do your best, leave aside all other things. Have fun in life. Have fun. It's not that I'm not saying that you should not have fun, you shouldn't see movie, you shouldn't go for games. Games is very important. Even if you have studying for 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours, at least take out some time for your what? Outdoor games. I will always say outdoor games, but keeping your brain where you have the endorphins coming out of the brain. Endorphin is a hormone that your biology teacher will tell you. Endorphin, serotonin, dopamine, all these hormones that are there in your brain. Once you do these kind of physical activities, they will really be almost liven up, and that will help you in life. As far as other students are concerned, they're just talking among themselves because they know enjoying at least 1 or 2 hours I will be here in that honors. Have to go back to the class and listen to the teacher and all that. Please do not take things seriously. Why we have organized this kind of a thing? Why have we organized? We have organized that you can see your colleague over there. They've got good marks. Try to take what? Motivate. Motivate yourself from them. Try to do better in life. These 3-4 years, see, it is all gradation is very nicely done. Till primary level, what you have to do, enjoy life and learn the basics of life. Good habits, good manners, good speaking skill. You know, the kids, those who can really pick up the language at these levels, like in class 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th and 5th and all that, they speak very fluently. So here, my emphasis always with my teacher is, in primary section, you take care of their language, you take care of their civic sense, make them better citizens, so that you can do. Don't go too much for academics. 6th onwards, the real study starts, where you start to gain the basics of the subjects, very basics of the subject. By the time you reach class 9 onwards, things become very different. You are in class 11, must have met your chapters, and I know that you must have got floundered completely by seeing the kind of syllabus that we have in class 11 and 12. Whatever you have studied in physics in class 10, forget. Nothing will be there in class 11. All of us know gravity is what? Gravity is a force. You must have read. Gravity is a force. And it has got a numerical formula for it to find out this thing. Gravity is not a force at all. How will you know that gravity is not a force? Follow. The students who have got. You've read Newton's this thing. M1 M2 by R square. How many of you know that gravity is not a force at all? कितनों को मालूम है? Physics teacher? Anyone? No. That is what I am saying. The moment you reach class 11 and later, you will see whatever you have studied in class 9 and 10 was just a classical sort of thing. You are made to learn a little bit of physics, chemistry, bio and all these things. Okay? But then in senior classes, so many notions will be proved wrong. They will be proved wrong and you will be flustered, completely confused. Kya padhaya ja raha hai? But be with whatever you are being taught. Work hard, nothing more I can say. To the 9th and 11th students, please work hard. 11 students who have taken aside me, those who are studying. If you have any problem in any of the subjects, please come to me directly. Please come to me directly. Nobody is going to stop you from coming to me. Discuss with me that this is the problems that we are facing. And I'm sure I'll be able to address those problems. I'm sure. And certainly I will do it. But you will have to come to me. If you don't come to me, I'll get the information from the teachers and all that. That may not be good. So if you have any problem, class 11, students, you can come to me, the new and the old ones, and directly talk to me about your subject. If you find anywhere any problem, we'll be able to solve. Those who have got non-schooling, please keep this in mind. Utilize non-schooling for a very good self-study. You will get 6 to 7 hours for self-study, because without self-study, you all will not be able to make it. I'm sure. You will not be able to crack any examination if you do not do for at least 5 to 6 hours of self-study. Whatever is being taught in your coaching institutes, that's okay. But those things have to be, all the problems have to be solved, and that can be done only through the self-study. The self-study karo. Those who are in school, those who have avoided non-schooling, I can tell, believe in your teachers,
those who are teaching over here, and then when you go back, whatever they have taught, do the conceptual, numerical problems all the while. Till 10:30, 11 o'clock, you should study. Then after go to sleep, enjoy your life.